Equate hand sanitizer is an essential component to an efficient and clean lifestyle. There are many components to the glorious gel substance that make it so illustrious. For it was Lupe Hernandez who invented hand sanitizer in 1966 in the SoCal town of Bakersfield, California. Hernandez was simply trying to create a quicker alternative to the traditional and long process of washing one's hands in a sink. Lupe intelligently turned ethyl alcohol into a jelly substance that could be spread across one's hands. Hand sanitizer is famous for its accessibility. It is very easy to use and to get. Here's an example of how quick and easy hand sanitizer is to obtain. It is as easy as jumping in your car, picking a good song, non-copyrightable music, going to Walmart and buying some good old hand sanitizer. It's the best $2.13 that you'll ever spend. Now it's time for the first fun fact about hand sanitizer. Famous comedian Tim Hawkins has a bit in his stand-up comedy show where he criticizes and makes fun of the over-excessive use of hand sanitizer in our society. As you can see, all these lovely and respectable teenagers love Equate hand sanitizer and use it in their daily lives. Some common uses of hand sanitizer are to cleanse hands. It is used as an antiseptic, to remove germs and bacteria from hands and arms, clean eyeglasses and wipe Sharpie and Expo markers off whiteboards. Now for the ingredients of hand sanitizer. The ingredients of Equate brand hand sanitizer are ethyl alcohol, alkyl acrylic cross-polymer, fragrance or perfume, glycerin, isopropyl alcohol, isopropyl mycetate, propyl glycol, tetrahydroxypropyl, ethylene diamine, tocopherol acetate, and water. The two main ingredients of hand sanitizer are ethyl alcohol and glycerin. Ethyl alcohol has many chemical and physical properties. Ethyl alcohol is flammable and combustible, has a pH level of 7.33, is mildly toxic, is polar, it is a liquid, it has a boiling point of 173.1 degrees Fahrenheit, its melting point is negative 173.5 degrees Fahrenheit. Its molecular geometry is tetrahedral, and it has a density of 789 kilograms per meter cubed. Ethyl alcohol's purpose in Equate hand sanitizer is to kill most of the germs that it comes in contact with because of its alcoholic properties. Ethyl alcohol can also be found in aftershaves, colognes, insecticides, and body washes. And now it is time for the second fun fact about hand sanitizer. When hand sanitizer is burned, it burns an invisible flame because of the ethyl alcohol in the hand sanitizer. And if you look closely, you can see the flame burning. The other main ingredient, glycerin, is flammable and combustible as well, has a pH level of 6 to 7, and it is non-toxic, it is polar, and it is a liquid. Glycerin has a boiling point of 554 degrees Fahrenheit and a melting point of 64.04 degrees Fahrenheit. Its molecular geometry is again tetrahedral, and it has a density of 1.26 grams per centimeter cubed. Glycerin's purpose in hand sanitizer is to act as a moisturizer and make the hand sanitizer more friendly for use on human skin. Glycerin can be found in moisturizer cream, condensed milk, and some explosives. Now it's time for the third and final fun fact about hand sanitizer. When hand sanitizer is ingested, it could cause alcohol poisoning due to the high alcohol concentration, especially in Equate hand sanitizer, which has a 63% concentration of ethyl alcohol. Some problems surrounding hand sanitizer are the fact that although it is an alternative to traditional water and soap hand washing, it is not necessarily as effective. On most hand sanitizer packagings, it is displayed that the hand sanitizer kills 99.9% of germs on the area where the substance is applied and correctly used. The reason that the statistic states 99.9% is because some germs and bacteria have become immune to the germ-killing properties, and so that if a germ is not killed or eradicated and causes an illness, the companies cannot be held accountable or liable. On the plus side, hand sanitizer is incredibly more accessible than a sink, water, and soap. It is also proven to be successful at highly reducing harmful bacteria counts on hands, and it quickly acts in killing microorganisms on the hands. All in all, hand sanitizer is one of the best inventions in modern human history and works daily, saving the lives of both you and me.